Something everyone should know how to do in Premiere is how to reverse a clip. So how do I make this clip play backwards rather than forwards? Forwards, we start on the character, the single character, and then we end on 3 characters. I want it to start on 3 characters and end on 1. Now, just remember, doing this makes sense sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. Like if you have a character walking and they're suddenly walking backwards, maybe isn't what you're going for. Maybe it is, but reversing a clip is really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I have a clip selected in my timeline, the one I want to reverse. I'm going to right-click over it with my mouse and go to speed/duration here. So if I click that, I'll get a pop-up. And here we can control the playback speed and the playback duration of the clip, so we can speed it up or slow it down, but that's not what I'm going for. What I want to do is reverse speed. If I reverse the speed, I'm going to reverse the entire playback of the clip. So if I select that, don't change anything else, go to OK. Right off the bat, you'll see when I'm at the beginning of my clip, I'm starting where it used to end with the 3 characters. And as I play it, we slowly move to the single character, and it's working just as I had hoped. It's a perfect playback here, and this makes a lot of sense. So I don't have any characters walking or doing anything weird that would suggest that it's being played back in reverse. But this is cool. Highly recommend for anybody who works in Premiere. This is something you've got to know, and it's super helpful. So if you did find it helpful, give me a like and check out my playlist in Premiere for more. Thanks.